This is the Integrated Monitoring System and Equipment Disassembly Animation Digital Twin Visualization Dashboard for Wastewater Treatment Plants, powered by Hightopo Scudding Edge Digital Twin Technology. The dashboard revolutionizes plant operations in three core ways. First, it offers aerial-time panoramic view of the entire plant from inlet flow and water quality, parameters to energy consumption, and equipment status, all displayed on a single, intuitive interface. Second, the embedded 3D equipment disassembly animation enables staff to visualize internal structures of key assets like aerators and sedimentation tanks, simplifying maintenance planning and fault diagnosis. Third, by merging real-time data with virtual models, it supports predictive analytics. Operators can simulate scenarios, identify potential bottlenecks in advance, and optimize process parameters to boost treatment efficiency and reduce operational costs. For wastewater treatment facilities striving for smarter, more reliable management, Hightopo's digital twin visualization solution is the ultimate game changer.